Today's Wednesday, May 31st. This is the 1970 to 1976 Cadillac Eldorado 500 cubic inch 8.2 liter engine harmonic balancer. This is a fully restored unit, and I'll go over the principles of the harmonic balancer here just in a moment. This is for my friend Jesus in Bradenton, Florida. Okay, the harmonic balancer is basically comprised of an inertial mass and a mounting hub, whereby they're joined by an elastomer polymer and then dynamically balanced. Here we have the red mark indicating that the unit has been reserviced and the dynamic balancing integrity has been recertified and adjusted as required after processing, cleaning, degreasing, and restoring of the unit. Okay, and the harmonic balancer is mounted to the attachment hub, which is pressed onto the crankshaft and aligned with the keyway. And the 4-bolt mounting orientation is unique and specific to only one position, whereby the orientation of the harmonic balancer to the mounting piece is oriented in only one direction as to the 4 bolt holes. So they're not equidistant, in other words. Okay, they're variably spaced in order to assure that the rotational alignment is in concert with the mounter, which is of course in turn mounted to the crankshaft. And we have to have a very tight, accurate fitment to the crankshaft in order to properly dissipate the harmonics. So the harmonic dampener or a harmonic balancer, as the case may be, which is an interchangeable terminology, is used in order to take the torsional stresses from the crankshaft and to dissipate them out into the atmosphere. First developed, I think, by Rolls-Royce back in the early 1900s, if I'm not mistaken, although they never filed a patent on it, and the patent was subsequently filed by Lancaster of Mercedes-Benz. But the dynamic balancer is basically a 2-piece synthetic elastomer vulcanized inseparable subassembly, whereby they're never separated. And the inertial mass, once vulcanized with the elastomeric polymer to the mounting hub, is then dynamically balanced, which is normally done by drilling out material in the proper orientation from the balancing machine. And in the case of recertifying the balancing, they clean up that hole appropriately, or sometimes they have to take out material in other directions if the unit has been nullified over the course of the years in terms of its balancing. Included in this assembly are grade 8 hardened bolts. Okay, and this will be going out to my friend Jesus as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. Right here we can see the elastomer, which is the vulcanizer unioning of the outer inertial mass to the mounting hub. Okay, this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage products for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados. Over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items such as this harmonic balancer. Today is Wednesday, May 31st. Thank you very kindly.